जरूरत नहीं है.
See, it's clear. I have the app called Weavers.
Ma'am, did you check my PPT, ma'am, which I emailed it to you of SDG?
Yes.
Second one.
No. I did not get any mail from you
I sent it, ma'am.
the other time.
I'll send it now again if you want.
Hi, Muhammad.
Ma'am, I'll send it again.
Okay. All right. If you check, you are supposed to get your notebooks and a pen. Of course, we'll solve a worksheet on snakebite. All right, very easy worksheet. Come on. I've just put 20 marks for that, and it's posted on your Google Classroom. So everybody, open your Google Classroom. You'll see an assignment posted. I thought it's a 10
ma'am, I
o'clock
hope
class.
you saw my PowerPoint. That's fine, even if you didn't see.
That's what?
That's why even if you didn't see my PowerPoint. Because I wanted to make some change.
Why is Munib rising up like the sun? Oh, I wanted to show you all one thing. Describing people assignment was given to you
See,
last time.
because I posted that assignment.
Yes, only 4 people did that assignment. What about the others? And I've graded your assignment.
कौन सा वाला?
Describing people. So what you had to do is, in about 6 to 7 lines, you had to write a description of the person.
Ma'am, I actually
I love what I wrote that.
And only 4 people submitted that assignment. Ahmad, Mozam, Abdullah and Amina. That's it.
Ma'am, I sent it, ma'am.
I have my books here, that is right.
I sent it.
I'm not having here, that is.
Okay, I'll check Abdullah. Please be regular with your assignments. Come on. You have to be serious with that. And it's a graded assignment. How could you not do it? Abdullah got it. Everybody has opened their Google Classroom?
Yes.
Yeah, you got the assignment? Worksheet under snakebite?
Worksheet.
No.
Yes.
What was today? Ma'am, should I start doing it?
Yes, please start.
How light do you speak?
I'm going to write answers, huh?
Yes, you have to write down the answers in the notebook. Abdullah, good work.
No, ma'am. This question I will not write.
No, question. I don't expect you to write, Munib.
Do you want any changes in that or is it okay?
Yes,
Ma'am, do we need to write the answers in a book or we can write it
in the notebook, yes. In the black spiral notebook. I just wanted to know, Abdullah, the points that you mentioned in the PowerPoint, you'll be able to put it forth in the class, right?
Yes, what?
No, I mean, I just wanted to know you understand the meaning of what is there in the PowerPoint.
I didn't put anything without understanding it.
Okay.
Ajay, ma'am, both the worksheets are to sign.
There's only one worksheet done.
I can see 2. I don't know why. I should do. Wait.
Sophia, there's just one worksheet. What are
I
you
show
saying?
you it.
Ma'am, who was she,
Read.
ma'am?
2 pages, Sophia, of course, but the worksheet is one.
Who
That
was she then?
only.
Sorry, 1 minute. What?
That's what I was
Who is
asking.
that she, ma'am?
Who's she?
Grandmother. I guess.
Hey, what the hell? Why are you giving out answers to him? Don't do that. Make me the host, Sophia. Who is she? Wow, very casually. Abdullah, I didn't know you're so sly.
Did not understand the question. Where did had the narrator got the snake from? Wala?
Eh?
I have seen a first.
Where had the narrator got the snake from? Yes.
So
What did you not understand? In Snake Bite, where did the narrator, who's the narrator, Munib?
Raja.
Raju.
No, ma'am.
Raja. Raja is the narrator. All right. And where did he get the snake from?
Oh.
Ashia, ma'am.
Oh,
That's
yes.
where I had that thing when you automatically can become the host. Instead of me
Right.
making you the host.
I can if I log in from your account.
Try.
No, but I don't
Because
want
I'm
to.
not logging in from my account.
I know it's your father's account. Dawood
Yeah.
Wade is solving the worksheet today.
Not doubt wait.
What's the joke? What's the joke? Safia, why are you grinning so much? You have to share, Safia.
Thing, ma'am. This is very.
Now, what is the meaning of Raja?
What is the meaning of Raja? Huh, Sakil? What's the question?
King, ma'am. राजा का मतलब king.
Yes. What was your question, Sakil?
Which question?
Alfia, ma'am, do we have to write the
Raja one.
questions? No, na? Only
No,
answer is fine.
please do not write question. Please just write question number properly. Don't write the questions.
Ma'am.
Hurry, ask. What is it?
अरे ma'am, that old man मेरा question को what was he called? I forgot. I remember. Ma'am, doctor.
No,
So,
was not called a doctor.
so
MM.
Millimeter.
Yes, you write millimeter, huh, Sakil?
अरे ma'am, what ma'am? Write in the chat, ma'am.
MM. Why should I give you answers?
Also मुतब्बिर.
Old man was called mother. No.
Then ma'am.
MM. What does doctors give?
मैं लिख दूँगा.
No. What do they prescribe?
हाँ? What?
What do the doctors prescribe? What do they give?
Medical medicine.
What do the doctors give, Munib?
Medicine.
Medicine. And it was an old man, right? So MM.
अच्छा समझ गया ma'am. Medicine dash.
Ma'am, where had the narrator get the snake from? In the garden, right?
I don't know. You're right.
So we have to write where did he get the snake? He didn't buy
The
the snake.
narrator got the snake from.
That.
Then write the answer. Okay.
Okay.
Make sure your sentences, your answers are in complete sentence. Pledge. Humaira Ahmed, are you all writing?
Ma'am, we write 1A, 1B, 1C.
Yes. Oh, write worksheet 1, okay? Snake bite.
The worksheet 2 is ma'am.
No, there's
Ma'am,
no
I don't
worksheet.
understand this question. It said that where had the narrator got the snake from?
Yes. Who's the narrator?
Raja.
And where did he get the snake from? Simple question. What is there to not understand in that?
अरे एक शेल में से मिला करो किस चीज का शेल था वो पता करना.
No, yeah.
हाँ, yes ma'am.
No, where did he get it from? Place.
What snake?
Shell. Shell.
Saglan, you write. I've not seen you writing.
हम coconut shell तो था.
Ma'am,
The snake, he put the snake inside the coconut shell. But where did he get the snake from?
ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, Saglan.
मेरे पास.
Okay, Munib, mute yourself. Yes, Saglan.
In the second question, A, who is the old man? So can I write fake doctor?
Who is the old man here?
The old man then took some water in a small brass vessel.
Yeah, I know. Who is the old man here? The fake doctor, you'll write.
Yes, ma'am. Alright, ma'am. I don't know.
Then leave it. Don't write.
I'll ask him.
You can write. You write anything you want.
No, not right. I'll ask.
What?
To MM.
You want to ask Mozam Mudabbir for answers? Who is the old man? Mozam Mudabbir. Saklan wants to ask, wants answers from you.
Ma'am,
MM?
I wrote for who is the old man. The old man was the fake doctor.
Acha, you wrote the old man was a fake doctor. Okay. Saklan, you write what you think is right. Muni, wear that beret now. That beret cap along with these goggles. Acha, but you can use only one filter at a time, right? Too bad. You would have looked classic.
And this cap.
Yes, the beret. Yes.
Movie answer was
Oh, this is a beret.
funny.
Right from the facts you have showed us, or any fact we can write?
The fact, there are two facts that they're asking, right?
Yes, so we can
Write one of your own and write the one that I showed you.
I got one, I'm not getting one.
So write one of your own.
What's chanting? Ma'am, filter.
And what do we have to write? Why in the 2B question?
2B,
Huh?
why was he doing the things mentioned above? That?
To
That is what you're asking, Safia?
Yes.
So you have to give a reason. Why do you think the old man was doing the things mentioned above in those lines?
But in the story it's not written why.
But you can think and write now.
Because he wanted money. I guess. Otherwise, he would be poor.
To heal Raja.
Why are you so empathetic, Safia?
Ma'am,
Ma'am.
what is the meaning of chanting?
Chanting.
Reciting.
Enchanting table.
Yes.
अरे मैं
Reciting.
told
Ma'am.
the answer only.
Ma'am.
Huh.
Ma'am, question number 9. I can just write irregular, regular like I and R.
Yes, yes. Do that.
Ah, there-
Question number 9. Abdullah Saqib is on streak, bro. People are still on question number 2.
I am on 4.
For question number 10, also don't make those stars, please. Just write AD and ADJ. Adjectives and adverbs. Easy it is.
Find a word similar to the meaning.
Abdullah, after you are done now, I would want to discuss something about the PowerPoint.
Man, you check my PowerPoint first.
Ah, Safia, check that out. Safia. Safia, you emailed it to me.
Yes, ma'am.
When?
After finishing the worksheet, I'll show it to you. I have it. But in privately, I'll show it to you.
Yeah, of course.
Ma'am, the fourth one question.
Yes. What about it?
Can I write grasshopper?
Yes. If you are afraid of grasshoppers, then you'll obviously write grasshoppers, right?
Ah, yes.
Safia, why? Safia. Safia, what's your email ID?
I message it to you. Wait. Should I message it to you privately, man?
Put it on chat.
These.
Ma'am, what is a home remedy, ma'am?
Home remedy, घरेलू इलाज. Nukse
I
that
got your
so
meeting
when
ID
you
by
have
my
a,
father's
like
phone.
for example, if you have a sore throat, usually the mother,
My father gave
like puts ginger and honey in hot
That's why you
warm
don't
water
have
and
mine.
gives it. So those are all home remedies.
Ready?
Yes.
1 second.
Saklan, please write. Okay. Humaira and Ahmad, are you all writing? Humaira, how about you? Okay.
That's not. Okay. Gmail. Dot. What you got? These.
Thank you. Yes, I got it, Satyam.
Now you can see until unless I do my these. I got the full speech ready also.
Wow. I think yours is going to be
Not first.
a good one.
Like this only.
I did not understand 7th wala.
What is 7th wala?
Ma'am, 7th question she.
Okay.
Do home remedies.
I know. I have it with me, Manip. Do home remedies prove effective for you? If yes, write a home remedy that you would want to share with others. Home remedies are basically
Home dawa.
3 to 5.
No. They are all gharelu nuskas that we use at home. Like, rather than going to the doctors and having medicines, we believe that these home remedies will cure us. Okay, like say for minor cold and all, we
Next.
Steam, ma'am, steam.
Ma'am, we can write
steam.
any,
Yes,
na?
we take steam. Okay, so all these are home remedies.
Ma'am, we can write any, na? Or we have
Any.
to write in snake that snake, anaconda is the
No,
biggest
not
snake.
related to snakes. Not related to snakes. You can write any home remedies that you know of and that has worked for you. First thing you have to write whether you
Ma'am, what
believe
if you
in
are
such
not
home
afraid of,
remedies.
if you are not afraid of anything?
Ma'am, what
You are
is
not afraid of any animal?
Yeah. No.
Wow.
long?
Then write
I
human.
like animals, no?
No, is there
Ma'am,
any?
then.
No, ma'am.
Click a picture and upload it.
Ma'am,
Turn in the work so I'll check it. Yeah.
ma'am,
Why should we be afraid of them?
I get scared of rats and cats. And what else do I get scared of? Yeah, that's it. Rats and cats.
Ma'am, you get scared of cats, ma'am?
Yes.
English.
I have a phobia. If a cat is here, I'll be there.
Ma'am, tell no.
What?
What is long called in English?
Long called in English? Long or the
Not
spice?
long, ma'am. That garam masala it is there.
That
No?
spice is okay. Cardamom. Cardamom.
Yes.
Thomas.
Cardamom. Okay.
Ma'am, like for 2 tracks of snake, we can write like this. Anaconda is the biggest snake in the world.
Mm, the largest.
Yeah. Right. Yeah. Julia.
Safia, I don't know why, but I'm in love with your PowerPoint.
And we have to borrow in it question or the friend will have to borrow something.
What?
Question it is written, look at the images given above. Now write down 2 requests that you will make to your friend.
You are asking your friend for these 2 things. How will you put it?
Okay.
In a very polite manner.
Submitted.
Okay. Abdullah, can we discuss the PowerPoint?
Yes.
Yeah, I'll put you in the breakout room. Join Abdullah. How's it going? Our body. Munib completed? How many of you all finished? Which question? 9. Ninth is easy, right? So don't make that oval shape and box. Just write the verb and next put a hyphen and write R for regular and IR for irregular. Okay, Emma turn written. Okay, I have 2 people. Ahmad, you had to write in the notebook, Ahmad. Come on.
What did you do, ma'am?
He wrote it in the worksheet. He edited it online. Ahmad, don't do that. It takes hardly 15 minutes for you to complete.
Did you start discussing the worksheet?
Yes, we will discuss the worksheet. But the corrected ones I'll return later along with the marks. Oh, by the way, for your description of describing people, I have already graded the ones who submitted. So Mozam, Abdullah, Ahmad, and Amina. I've given you grades. Have you all finished?
Last question, what do you have to do?
So you have to write adjective and write the words.
So we have
and
to write like this. That
don't make stars.
spoke
Don't make stars.
softly. So we have to write we have to find the adjective here.
Yes.
Okay.
Adjective and adverbs, Sophia. Both.
Ma'am, see, ma'am, people are watching.
You combing your hair. Well, guess what, Munib?
Forming. I can't write it.
I am on TV.
I can't write in chat.
Munib, I'm on TV.
There is no fitness today.
Oh, Abdullah's also on TV.
But you are modern. Abdullah पुराने ज़माने का.
Huh?
There is no fitness.
There's no fitness today?
Yes.
What, ma'am? No fitness, ma'am. What is this?
Why you want to become fit?
Yes, ma'am.
Obviously, ma'am.
Ma'am, you are not on TV, ma'am. Abdullah is on TV. You are in radio, ma'am.
Radio पे
In the
photo कैसे आ
radio.
गई?
Anything, Munib, anything. I'm on TV. Hi, guys.
पुराने ज़माने का.
Yes, I'm on that tuning in wala TV. You know, Doordarshan ke zamane ka you tune into the channel.
Ma'am, I am doing projector, ma'am. सबसे latest.
No, Munib, you're
I
on
have to
theatre.
underline
That's theatre.
the verbs in the he spoke softly like that.
अरे थक के देख.
Softly we have to underline.
Softly. Softy.
So what do we have to do?
So, you have to read the sentences given below. Separate the adjectives and the adverbs.
How?
First, you will identify the adjectives and the adverbs. Once
Then?
you've picked out,
Ma'am?
then you write adjective and write down the words, then write adverb and write down the word.
Ma'am, you checked mine, ma'am.
And that's
Abdullah, what you've written?
Where?
In the worksheet,
Why? What did I write?
you only know. One word answers you're giving me. Abdullah, grade 8th, you are not expected. Huh? Every answer is correct. No wonder. But wow.
Start.
Because I hate writing, ma'am. That's why I just wrote it in short.
Subhanallah, the presentation. Oh my god. I did not see the second page. I'm shocked.
And what is the meaning of conjugation?
I'm shocked in regular verb. Yes?
What is the meaning of conjugation?
Where is it? Which question?
What is the question? I was not I wasn't
There's
asking.
no.
Congregation? That's the word? Put it in chat. I'm not able to understand.
Conjugation.
Sentence given below. Separate adjective and the adverb. Man, we have to separate spoke and softly like that. How will I separate? She is there, Raina is there. Acha, ma'am.
What is it? What is the word? Amina?
I wrote in chat.
You wrote? Conjugation. Conjugation? I know conjugate. Right. And I'm getting no. Amina, the spelling is wrong. There's no conjugation. Where did you get the word from? There's conjugate, which I know. It means to combine, to unite.
Means to combine. Combine की movie.
Yeah.
पुराना जमाने की movie में.
What we spoke.
Ahmed, now you're going to start writing.
Ma'am, what is that? She, Rina.
Rina? Who's Rina? Yes.
Ma'am, what is that? She,
Hey,
Rina.
how did you write black and white, Munib?
Num filter में है.
Okay, tell me. Yes, Safia.
How? What do we do with she, Rina, and there's a word na she, Rina. I walk and he.
Arey Baba, she spoke softly. Rina wore a
Acha.
beautiful dress. I walked fast.
I
He
first
prayed
wrote the adverb
silently
and the
beside the
adjective.
bread. Arrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrr
अब अब्दुल्ला कुछ ना कुछ तो कर रहे हैं मैम.
I got it. He is doing kuch na kuch because he's completed his work. Anyang Munib.
So, ma'am, we need to write the.
Amna, how's your book going?
Huh?
I didn't have to work. I'm worked on a few pages.
Ma'am, first we need
Only
to
2 pages.
sentence.
Sorry,
No,
sorry.
not two, a few pages.
Few pages. Okay. Yes, Safia, what were you saying?
First, we need to write the sentence and then we have to find.
No. Just pick out the words and write whether they are adjective or they are adverbs.
Okay.
Munib, why can't we put 2 filters at the same time?
जिसने फिल्टर बनाया ना मैम उससे पूछो मैम.
So, Munib, write an email now to Zoom.
Give me Zoom. I'm sitting on my cat moves.
It's written
Give me
Zoom,
Zoom
Amina.
का email ID मैम.
Are you get it on Google? Yeah, come on.
What मैम? Now it's
How's your passion projects going? Left it? Nobody? Amina, what had you taken up?
the course that
Yes, the Udemy course.
I took character art.
What? Character art. How is it going?
Ma'am, for what should I write so fast?
Ma'am, I took business studies entrepreneur. It is going very good.
What did you do?
Fast.
Entrepreneur business.
And
It
did
is
you do
going
it?
very well.
It's going very well. Wow. Abdullah, how about you? How's your passion project going?
Silent.
Ma'am, I have a question.
Unmute कर पहले खुद को.
Yes, yes, Emma.
What happened?
How do you do the filters?
Okay.
To go
Emma,
on
you see
virtual
the
background.
stop video icon? You see
Yeah.
the camera icon? Over
I
there,
just
there is an arrow, small arrow pointing upward. You click on that, and then the second last option is choose video filter.
It will only be there if you updated your Zoom.
Okay.
Okay, and it will be available only if you've updated your Zoom app.
Oh,
So if you have
And
the
ma'am,
updated
वो
version,
video
you'll get
filter
it.
का option भी ऐसे ही आता है ma'am. It is not there in first ma'am. When you update it, then only that.
Right. So you have virtual backgrounds, and next to it there is video filters.
You'll have
I
to.
don't know how to attach.
Oh,
I mean, you look good with that. You could match.
Ah! Thank you. This is my all-time move.
I can't click the photo.
Whose photo you want to click?
I did that PDF.
Why? You don't have
I
a
did
phone?
man that the
And
paper
she
is
also did it digital ma'am.
No, it's nice, Amina.
I can't click.
Eminem, did you upload your work?
Yes, ma'am.
Wow. Mazam Muddabbir, got it. Mazam, 4 attachments, 4 pages. Wow, Mazam, wow. Oh. Lollipop, lollipop, lollipop. 1 more minute to go. Hi, Bunny. Munib, did you submit your work? No, I did not receive your work. I have only
I mean,
Mazam
no,
Muddabbir.
they named it Zoomtopia.
Yes.
Done.
Abdullah and Ahmad. Only 4
And
people.
you got mine?
Zorro.
Already submitted.
Taklin, Munib, Amina, did you submit your work?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, you know, ma'am.
Yeah.
In Zootopia case, mein they only put MM, it becomes Zootopia.
Zoomtopia. I have only 4 people who've turned in their work.
And this one, no, which we were doing now.
Yes. You have to
And
click a
this-
picture and upload it.
How come only one? Oh. Come on.
Oh, that's such a cute little thing. Don't tell her to go, Abdullah. You'll be a very mean brother if you do that. Oh my god, her hair. Show her. Show her, Abdullah. I want to see her face. Hi! Oh my god. She's so cute. What's your name? Can she hear me?
No, ma'am, he can't.
What's your name? Hi. Oh, she's so cute. Rap and send her. I love her hair, yaar. I love her hair. I don't know why. I really like her hair. Don't comment, mama. She's looking cute that way. Yes. Look at him. What is he doing? Oh god.
Oh God.
All right. Humaira, Taklin, Munib, Safia, and Amina.
I'll have to do the fair work, ma'am. This is the very bad handwriting.
Ma'am, I cannot upload it now, ma'am. Because I don't have my mom.
And can I take a picture and upload it after this class?
Can you take a?
Picture and upload it after this class.
Yes, you can do that. Okay, then I'll end the class. It's almost time.
Ma'am, also, I have to say one thing, ma'am. Wait.
Tell me. Fast.
Ma'am, I cannot upload it now, ma'am. I will upload
Later
it.
you'll upload, right? Okay, no problem.
Ma'am,
Sure.
because I don't have the phone, ma'am.
Okay, fine. No
Ma'am,
problem.
mine to all answers are correct now, ma'am.
That I'll have to check.
One
But
I
very
have
short
letter
answer.
answer.
It's contradicting to your height, Abdullah.
Ma'am, I can't.
Why don't we have filters, ma'am?
Okay, bye. Take care.
Bye.